In this video I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan with your HP SmartInk 7301 printer. To do a copy we need to place a page on the top scanner. So place it facing downwards. On the printer panel you will see the color button for the color copy and the next button is for the black. So press any button and start the copy. Printer output tray is here. The next thing is to do the wireless printing and scanning. For that we need to connect this printer with any device, like I have connected it with my iPhone. Now open the HP Smart app. So in the app you have to simply go and open the printer scan button and click on the scan icon. Make sure you place page on the scanner. So here your scanning is transferred. Click on the next button. Now if you want to do the multiple scannings, place the pages facing upwards. Go to the printer scan icon, select batch. If you select document, then it will just use the scanner. If you use batch, that means there are number of pages we are scanning all together, and then click on the scan icon. So it will start taking the pages. So here we can see it has scanned all the pages in the automatic document feeder tray and it's transferring the scan here. So once you have scanned all the pages, click on this icon and it will process all the pages here. Now you can save it or you can share it. So this way we can do the scanning, and if you want to do a printing, simply click on the print button. Select any file you have for the printing. Click on the print icon. Select your printer. If you want, you can change the settings from here, like if you want to change the paper, number of copies, print quality, if two-sided or one-sided, and click on the print icon. So here we can see our printer has done the printing and scanning.